Hello everybody. Hi, it's Jamie here and it's Cocktail Time with Jamie. A little closer to 5 o'clock tonight, pushing it back a little bit. Hopefully some of you will join me soon and you'll catch me live here. I see a few people joining already, so thank you very much. Hello, Sal. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. This way our videos get seen by more and more people. As you know, Marcus and I Marcus has been doing Facebook Lives for a very long time. I started at the beginning of the pandemic in March of 2020 to just give everybody kind of a fun thing to look forward to every day. I love doing them. They're really fun for me. I was just talking the other day about how bad I was at the beginning and how much better I think I have gotten and how I'm not afraid and I just get on camera and I just go. So I appreciate you all very, very much watching me. Hello Sal, hello Susan, hello Brenda. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching me live. We are closed today. It is Tuesday, so Aroma Time is closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be back open on Thursday. We have a wine dinner on Monday, next Monday, the 24th, I believe it is. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. Really cool. We've been doing it for a really long time. They're really popular. Make reservations. It's a great night out for $29. You can't beat it. We have a regular menu available that day. You can order other drinks, but we have fun doing them, and it's really fun for Marcus and I to introduce you to lots of cool different wines and just have fun with wines on every other Monday. So hello Lydia, hello Brenda, hello Susan. Thank you everybody for watching me. So I'm making something called Thirst and Hunger today. This isn't quite something that I would normally drink. Marcus found this recipe using Don Seco and Figli. It is their artichoke liqueur called Carsifio. How do you say it, Marcus?
It's a word in Italian.
It's a word in Italian, so I don't know how to say it, but it's fun. We've had this at our bar, you can see. It's very similar to Cynar, so it's an artichoke liqueur, and it includes Prosecco, so we're going to use my favorite Prosecco from Fantanelle. I'm going to be using this artichoke liqueur, simple syrup, which is our agave, and lemon juice. And so this is similar to an Aperol Spritz. Actually, Aperol Spritz comes from Amaro, the name Amaro in the Spritz. So I'm going to make this cocktail, check it out, see how it tastes. I honestly have not had this before, so it'll be very interesting to see how it tastes. And let's see. So I'm going to start with ice in my glass. Thank you everybody for watching me. Really appreciate all of the support. It has been great over the past 2 years for me, and thank you to Marcus for all of the wonderful content he puts out there. He did a Facebook Live this morning, correct, Marcus?
Yes.
You did one this morning.
But it's on my podcast today.
Oh, you sent out your podcast
Easy way
today.
to eat right.
Easy way to eat right. So everybody's always looking for easy fixes in the beginning of the new year and easy ways to eat right. And so check out Marcus's podcast. He put that out there in our email today, you can check that out. Just fun, easy ways to eat right. You know, it's hard to eat out in restaurants. It's hard to, go to games, and it's hard to
At home.
Even eat at home. If you have bad things in your pantry, you're gonna eat them. If you have Oreos in there, you're gonna eat them. So don't bring them home. Eat healthier. Have fruit in your fridge. Make smoothies. Make fresh juices. And just eat healthy and eat right. So, but it starts at home with you. It starts with your children and all of that stuff. So, all right, I'm going to start out with 1 ounce of artichoke liqueur. I am going to add a little bit of simple syrup, which is our agave. You can make this as sweet or as not sweet, as you'd like. About a ½ ounce of lemon juice. And I am going to top it off with Prosecco. Use a little bit more artichoke. Let's see. And I'm going to mix that on up here. This is interesting. I wish I was there eating. Thanks, Jess. We wish you were here eating as well. Thank you so much. Those of you that saw Jess live with me, she was one of very few people that I ever have live on my Facebook with me. and she was a special guest on Sunday. We made a cocktail, the Pamplemousse Rum Punch. So that was really fun. So thanks for joining me, Jess. I really, really appreciate that. And thank you everybody for joining me today. Hello, Heidi. I really appreciate you all being here today. And let's go ahead and try this Thirst and Hunger. So similar to a Aperol Spritz, except it has artichoke liqueur in it from Don Ciccio, right?
Don Ciccio and Figley.
And Figley. So it's more like an Amaro. So it's got more of a bitter taste. That's a good drink. I had to. Yes, Heidi, you did. You had to. What does it smell like? You know what? It doesn't really smell like artichoke, right? No.
What does artichoke really smell
Yeah,
like is the question.
No, it actually smells kind of sweet, like herbs and things. So this is what I would probably say. This would be more like an after dinner drink.
It's very herby.
It's herby.
Very herby.
And if you smell the artichoke liqueur,
I mean, after all, artichoke
orangey.
is in the thistle family, so it's like an herb.
It's actually really not bad.
No, it's great.
It's really nice. I would like it a little bit sweeter, so I'll add a little bit more agave to it. And you know, we have some really fun, cool things.
Should make a drink of that next.
This is fennel, a fennel liqueur from Don Ciccio and Figley. We have, we're running low on these. Cinque. So we have some really fun.
They make a bunch of great stuff.
They sure do.
Did you tell the story about them?
I didn't. They're out of Washington D.C. Correct?
He came to manage a restaurant in D.C.
Okay.
And the family business has been a distillery in the Amalfi Coast since like 1910 or something.
So it was discovered in the Amalfi Coast. Yep.
So he brought his family recipes from the Amalfi Coast.
Oh, beautiful.
And started distilling in Washington D.C.
Well, that's fun. Awesome. So check them out. If you're ever in a liquor store, buy one of their bottles. Support them. I really like them. We should find out who's carrying these now and
They
get some
switched
more.
distributors.
They did.
The distributor went out of business.
Yes, it did.
So it went somewhere else.
Yes. So anyway, everybody, thank you very much for watching me. I appreciate it. It is Tuesday. We are closed today. Tuesday, Wednesday, we're closed. We're back open on Thursday. And we will have our special $9.99 available on Thursday. And I think we're doing mushroom risotto.
Yep.
So that is to go starting on Thursday. So Thursday to Monday. So you have a little sneak peek on that. And then we're also still doing our buy one, get one free entrees. And
or any dish.
Oh, sorry. Any dish, buy one, get one free to go. And that is not valid with any other offers or anything like that. So I think that's a pretty great offer. And that's it. I hope everybody has an awesome night. Marcus and I will be doing a Wine Time live at some point this evening. So check that out. That'll go live. Thank you for watching me, everybody. I really appreciate it. And I will catch everybody tomorrow. Cheers and have a phenomenal night.